Holidays, you may want to warn your parents and grandparents about a scam that targets them. Ross Township police say once again scammers are posing as grandchildren and calling seniors. They usually say that the supposed grandchild is traveling somewhere and has been arrested or was in a car crash and needs the grandparent to wire money for bail or to pay for damages. In some cases, the scammer says a friend can come over and pick up that money for you. Well, police want your family to remember any request to wire money is an automatic red flag. First day of winter.